Hey there, it's Shanae from WTI. So today I wanted to show you one of the most important things in our house, and that is our TV right here. So this TV is made by Hisense. Ours is a 65-inch. It's got 4K resolution. Now we've had this for just over a year, and I am still wowed by how incredible the picture quality is, especially compared to the popular brand name TV we had before. It just feels like when you're watching something on this, you're getting a completely different viewing experience. So I want to show you guys a few close-ups of a few images so you can see just how great the quality is.
So right now I have the TV set to storm mode, and I'm only filming this on my iPhone, yet you can still see how crisp and clear these images are. They're extremely detailed. You're seeing a lot of high contrast. The colors are bright and vibrant, so it's really bringing these images to life.
I also like that it's an Android TV, so very easy to access all your favorite apps for watching movies or playing games or listening to music, all different kinds of things you can do. So with this price point and the quality, I really don't think you're gonna beat what this TV has to offer. So definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.